Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learning with iOS Dev. I have come up with another video which deals with Codable protocol, writing the Codable protocol using the external format JSON. So let's get started. What is Codable protocol? It is actually a combination of two codable protocols, encodable and decodable, which facilitates the conversion between your custom types such as struct and classes and various external format such as XML, JSON, or property list. Now I will be writing the codables for the JSON string which I have in my text edit file, and I have used the playground for that, and now I will be importing the foundation using the import foundation. And now I will define the struct called plant info colons codable and curly braces. So inside the curly braces we will be defining the properties which are there in our JSON string. Basically, it is a key of our JSON string, that is plant, type, and count, with the data types string and integer respectively with the JSON string. It should match those properties. And now we will be copy this JSON string and use in our program. So I will declare this using let JSON string is equals to three double quotes, and inside this three double quotes I will be pasting the JSON string using command C copy and command V to paste. So you can see we have pasted this JSON string. It should match the properties which we have defined in our struct, that is plant, type, and count. And now we will decode our JSON string using the JSON decoder. So now we'll be using JSON string dot data using dot UTF. So dot UTF is a character encoding system. It is default for JSON. Now inside the do, we'll be declaring the variable. Now we will be using the try JSON decoder dot decode, and inside this we have type and from. So the type will be our struct plat info, and we will be writing this inside the square brackets. And using the tab button we can navigate to the next parenthesis to give the value for that, and you can see this blue color. Now we'll be giving the JSON data for this, so it can decode the JSON string which we have declared in JSON data. And will be using the for loop to print the data which is inside our JSON string, and we'll be printing this using the print statement. Plant is equals to slash in brackets plant dot plant. So we are using the plant to write the plant, and for the type we will be using plant dot type, and for count we'll be using plant dot count. So plant info has these variables, so we can use this inside this print statement. And we'll be giving some nice string formulation or string manipulation using these dashes, so our output will be beautified. I will be using the catch to catch error if it is giving, so it is a good practice to catch the error using try catch block. And this is how we have rewritten the code to decode the JSON string. This is some error which is giving So it is expected member name or constructor call after the type name, add argument after the type to construct a value type. So we'll be using the dot self. So it will reference our struct in the same file. And now we'll run. So you can see it, our output is printed. We have some space before this type. So we'll backspace one character and run again. So you can see our output is printed in this such a nice format. So in summary, by conforming to the protocol, codable protocol using the JSON decoder classes or encoder, you can easily encode and decode custom data structure to and from various data formats like JSON. So the codable protocol simplifies the process of serializing and deserializing the data, saving you from writing complex parsing. So if you like my video, click on like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching.